Well, tonight, since it's a little foggy outside and starting to get chilly, we decided to have grilled cheese sandwiches for dinner. For those who have never made one before, you might be the college student, I don't know, but anyways. So, we're making like 3 sandwiches, got them in different stages. Got our sliced American Velveeta cheese, or Kraft cheese. You got butter.
American cheese.
You got your flat pan. And with grilled cheese sandwiches, some people like a pickle on the side. When I was a young kid and would have a grilled cheese sandwich in a restaurant, they always put a pickle wedge on the side. Okay, so you get your bread. Open up your cheese, as you can see I did on the other one there. So you would open up your cheese. Line it up, slap your cheese down on your bread. Then I'll take another cheese and I'll break it to fill in the bald spots, because you don't want an empty spot that's just crust or just bread. So after that, you would take your bread, fold it over, and like here, put some butter on it. You want to get it buttered pretty good. Not too much. You just want it everywhere so it helps give it flavor and not to stick to the pan. Alright, that's the first side. The second side of the sandwich you're gonna butter, but you'll butter it while your sandwich is cooking. So you would take it, you heat up your pan, throw your sandwich on there, butter side down, and then you'll have your dry bread. You know, it'd be like this. That one down, that side here is cooking, so then you would butter your second side. And after a couple minutes, depending on what your flame is or electric stoves, you watch your sandwich, and when it's a golden brown and yellowy, you flip it over and cook the second side. Alrighty, let me pull this off because you got to have the pan heated first. Always want a little extra cheese right in the middle of this sandwich to give that good gooey bite.
You didn't put a lot of cheese in the other ones?
You think not?
Surprise, surprise.
Sneaky, do the peeky.
Were you excited, dog?
So how do you cook the tomato soup? That needs to be hot for when our sandwiches are ready. So I guess let me finish prepping this one here, and then we'll wait for you to catch up with the tomato soups for it to start warming, and then while it's warming over here, I can get this going over here. Don't want too much butter because you don't want a greasy sandwich. You just want it to add some good flavor. Save your butter for the other side of your sandwich. Remember, you got to put butter on both sides. Sammy midges going. Knock the dust off your cutting board. Okay, we got the sandwiches going on side number one. So, like I said, the one side's cooking. You want to get your butter spread for your second side. I mean, you can feel a little heat coming up from around the pan, but it's not a big deal. It's not like you're landing on the sun or anything, just a little warm. Better not la dee la da. I heard a grunt from the camera operator. I didn't think a la dee la da was a copyrighted song.
So when do you flip it?
When it's a golden brownish. I'm not good like chefs on TV. I can't take a finger and push on it and say, "Ooh, that's done."
Those are the cheese are melting already over there.
Well, that's a good thing. You want the cheese to melt. It's lost. It's lost. Okay, first one on, first one to flip. Oh, look at
That's
that.
nice. Perfection.
Oop,
That's not good.
that one wasn't quite ready. And just flip it back over and after that side cooks. Now you got the general idea what it looks like. This is a nice perfect one.
Golden brown.
Golden brown. You want the other side to end up looking like that. Then you'll pull it off, set it on your plate, let it rest for a minute or so, and then for the fancy, cut it on the little diagonal. Reason you let it rest is a little bit is so when you cut it, all the cheese doesn't ooze out right away. You got your grilled cheese sandwich there. We're having a sandwich in half. Got our bowl of cream of tomato basil soup. And just because they're yummy, got a slice of pickle. Had a couple slices of pickle, but one just kind of disappeared when I was cooking the sandwich. So next step is to take this to your table and start eating it. Me, I like the sandwich as a sandwich and I'll eat it. Maybe occasionally I might dip it in the soup. But I like taking club crackers, you know, because
We already have it.
they're really good. Take the club crackers, crush them, put them in my soup. So, bon appetit.